Complete Guide, Personal and Possessive Pronouns in English. Introduction. Pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence. They help avoid repetition and make sentences clearer. In English, there are subject pronouns and possessive pronouns. 1. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns replace the subject of a sentence. They indicate who is performing the action. Examples: singular, I, you, he, she, it. Plural, we, you, they. Example sentences: I like to read books. You are very kind. He plays football every weekend. She studies English. It is raining. We're going to the park. They have a big house. Exercise. Choose the correct subject pronoun. John is my best friend. Lisa and I love to travel. Answer: he is my best friend. We love to travel. 2. Object pronouns. Object pronouns are used as the object of a verb or preposition, receiving the action. Singular, me, you, him, her. Plural, us, you, them. Examples: she gave me a gift. I saw him at the store. They invited us to the wedding. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct object pronoun. 1. She called. 2. They saw, he, him, at the park. 3. Can you help, we, us, with our project? 4. The teacher gave, she, her, a good grade. 5. He sent they, them, an invitation. Answer: 1. She called me yesterday. 2. They saw him at the park. 3. Can you help us with our project? 4. The teacher gave her a good grade. 5. He sent them an invitation. 3. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. Examples: singular, my, your, his, her, its, our. Plural, our, your, their. Example sentences: this is my book. Your house is beautiful. His car is new. Her dress is elegant. The cat is licking its paws. Our school is big. Their garden looks amazing. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive pronoun. This is, I, pencil. They love, they dog. Answer: this is my pencil. They love their dog. Final exercise. Choose the correct pronoun, subject or possessive. 1. I'm very happy today. My. 1. I am very happy today. 2. This is my. I. 2. This is my book. 3. Is playing soccer. He is. 3. He is playing soccer. 4. That is our house. Our. 4. That is our house. 5. Our best friends. They, their. 5. They are best friends. 6. She loves dog. Her, she. 6. She loves her dog. 7. Me is a big city. It's. 7. It is a big city. 8. This is car. Is he. 8. This is his car. 9. Have a great teacher. We. Our. 9. We have a great teacher. 10. Is this your. You. 10. Is this your phone? Conclusion. Mastering subject and possessive pronouns is essential for speaking and writing correctly in English. Practice these sentences to improve your skills. Leave your answers in the comments. If you need more explanations or exercises, let me know.